Changing the background in Videoscribe all depends on our personal preference or the type of our project. To change the background, we simply go to the brush icon here on the top with the toolbar, and we can change the type of our paper from here. Also, we can change the color of our paper. This paper is a white paper, but for example, let's put the red or the green color, and here we've put the green color. We can choose many other colors here from the palette. Also, you can change the vignette. Let me return to the white color so I can show you the effect of the vignette. So we've chosen the white color, and we can add a soft vignette, and you can see here the shadow around the paper. We can put harder vignette, so the color or the shadow will become more harder or darker. We can remove the vignette totally by selecting no vignette. So changing the background on Videoscribe is so easy. It does not take that much of effort. See you in the next video.